How to get SPX on Robinhood. To trade SPX options on Robinhood, start by ensuring that your account is approved for options trading. Open the Robinhood app or log in to your account on the website. Then navigate to your account settings to verify your options trading status. If you haven't enabled options trading yet, submit an application through Robinhood's interface, which may require answering questions about your trading experience and financial background. Once your account is approved for options trading, go to the search bar within the app or website and type SPX to check if SPX options are available. However, Robinhood primarily supports options on stocks and ETFs rather than index options like SPX. Since SPX options are cash-settled, European-style contracts listed on the CBOE, they may not be directly available for trading on Robinhood. Instead, you can trade SPY options, which track the S&P 500 and are more accessible for retail investors. SPY options function similarly to SPX options, but are American-style and settled in shares. If your goal is to trade SPX options specifically, you may need to use a brokerage that supports CBOE-listed index options, such as TD. These platforms offer access to SPX contracts, along with additional tools for analyzing and executing trades. Before trading, review the contract specifications, including expiration types, AM or PM settlement, tax treatment, and potential margin requirements. Always confirm whether your broker offers the specific index options you're looking for